How to crack PDF password online. Go to ezyZip.com, hover to Other Tools, and under Password Recovery Tools navigate to PDF Password Recovery. Click Select PDF File to crack. To open the file chooser, or drag and drop the PDF file directly onto ezyZip. If you have a custom password list, enable Use My Own Word List, otherwise ezyZip uses its built-in word list. Click Start Password Recovery, and the tool will begin testing passwords against your PDF. This may take a while depending on the password's complexity. Once a match is found, the recovered password appears on screen. Click Copy Password to copy it. Open the PDF file using the recovered password. It's that easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.